Run like I don't got an estate. Yeah. Run it up. Yeah. Went from MIA to LA on the run like I don't got an estate. Yeah. I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay. Yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Been 1,020, spent 100 hundreds. Money come and gone, let's get straight to it. Been a businessman, it's bigger than music. Eyes on a new building with like 8 units. What's for sale, I might buy it all. Don't wanna put in work, now you just wanna ball. Got Louis bags with no money in them. Bigger the lie, the harder they fall. Fast route, for me it's always been a cash route. Back route, spend some money, switch a piece of cash out. Always been a stand-up guy, never back down. Curry's on my team and got some pack outs. Went from MIA to LA on the run like I don't got an estate. Yeah. I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay. Yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Yeah. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, baby. Savior of my city like I'm Luke Cage. This is real life, you're ballin' 2K. I was just a young count, loose change. Now I got it coming 22 ways. 12's on me, no flu game. Same team, we the new way. I told my baby come and get some. What's hers mine and she here to stay. I said, do you love me? Why not though? I know I'm on the go, I'm on the run, girl. For the money, with my batos. And no, I'm not from LA, I'm from New York. Upstate though, and we got dough. And we don't show no mercy, run the score. Prices on my head, so we got posts. Went from MIA to LA on the run like I don't got an estate. I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay.
Good morning, chat. Good morning. Hope we are well. News day today. Today is a news day. So Bank of Japan news. It's end of the month as well. Last trading day of the month. And yeah, you know, as we can see here, a lot of news coming out from Bank of Japan. We'll have a look at financial juice here to see what's going on. And we need to protect profits. That's the main goal of today. If I'm going to take any positions, it's going to be scalp positions, half risk, end of the month, not looking to lose any money or lose the profits that I have for this month, because that's not the goal. Let's have a look. Bank of Japan. Here we go. Bank of Japan interest rates, actual and forecasts. Yep, they're still keeping negative interest rates, which is incredible. It's the only country in the world, I believe, that it's the only country I believe that is keeping negative interest rates. So not changing their yield curve. They're still printing money, which is incredible. Promise to keep at lower levels. Will continue to expand the monetary rate. So they want to until CPI exceeds 2%. So they're still printing money here, which is really, really funny. So they don't seem too worried whatsoever, following nothing what the main part of the world is doing. But that was the main release. The problem is we have this release here, which is tentative, which means that it can happen at any time. We did have the outlook report. Now we have the press conference, but kind of the report, I would guess, talked about most of the stuff, so we don't have to worry too much about it. If we're going to have a look at the charts today, obviously we're bullish. If you look at daily time frame, daily is closing bullish. If you don't tell me that this daily candle is bullish, then I don't know what to tell you. We're approaching this daily resistance up here, which is going to be the next problem. We do have a small resistance here, but I have that already marked. Again, today is going to be scalping because of news, and we pushed heavy already. So it's virtually impossible to get inside of that move unless you're holding position. There was a huge liquidity grab to the downside, would have hurt a lot of people, and then we flicked up, and now we're trading bullish here. So on GJ, I expect more upside, but again, I'm not buying into resistance and I'm not buying at resistance. Again, scalping means I can look for small pullbacks to continue price up. If we measure, these are quite big ranges. They're definitely tradable. From down here to up here was 22 pips, and this is a couple of 5-minute candles. So definitely some tradable ranges here. We just need to wait for some setups. I've seen this happen a lot here. news comes out with a big candle here, right, and then we get this rejection at the top, then these two candles wick fill, we normally consolidate, maybe pull back quite deeply, and then we can maybe get continuation, and then maybe we can look to continue this move towards the upside here. Apart from that, if we go and have a look at gold, what gold is doing, again, still in the range here, nothing interesting, and this is across all markets. So if we noticed coming into Q2, we have seen all traditional markets and equities are basically ranging, right? So since all of the borders and equities, not borders, I was reading chat, sorry. Since all of the markets are ranging, they are going very, very slow on Q2. The reason why is Q1 was quite impulsive for equities and gold, especially with the big move up and the threat with banks and all of this stuff. So yeah, definitely put a lot of pressure on markets, and we saw big movement. Now they're kind of having this risk off kind of effect, and if we look at the VIX is a representation of essentially the hedging going on in US traditional markets, and that has crashed. So people are not hedging, they're not as worried, they're more taking a step back, seeing what the Fed is going to do with the interest rates, and then probably stepping back into the markets, leaving us with a range, which is why I prefer to have a currency pair as a tradable pair, because currencies are always trading, but equities and stuff like this, they can range for a while, right? So 4 hours a mess, daily's a mess, everything's a mess here on gold. The only way you're taking trades is from the bottom of the range and from the top of the range. Playing in the middle of the range is really silly, and I don't see a point of doing that. Maybe above 1990, 841, there's some buys, but we need volume. This can fake out, this can do what it wants. It's really not in a good position, right? So yeah, let's go have a look. You know, GJ is now pushing up towards that resistance there, so that's going to be target. I could have taken a trade here, but I didn't want to, because, and I'll show you why, from the break of the high to here is 12 pips. It's enough to go break even, to be honest, but I didn't have really a place to put a stop loss. So yeah, you know, we'll kind of let this do its thing and see if I can get a quick scalp entry, or see what I can do to scalp this towards the upside. But buying the highs at the moment is not going to work for me, especially after news. So just going to be patient here. Again, today is the last trading day of the month. You need to protect your profits. Don't be doing anything stupid, right? Next thing here is someone wants to look at Euro USD, otherwise they will have a nervous breakdown, so we'll help them with Euro USD. Bias is bullish, brother. Bias is bullish. If we look at the daily time frame on Euro USD, close bearish, still at the top of the range. Yeah, so Euro USD is in the same position since the beginning of the week. It's ranging from here to here. For today, what do I expect Euro USD? Yeah, as long as it holds this support, I expect it to go sideways and up, essentially. If it breaks above 1.10345, I could probably expect it to pop up a little bit here. But if we start breaking below these areas, maybe, and find some resistance, can find its way back down to 1.09. But for now, it's in a range. Morning all. Where's the color key for the camera? It doesn't look nice because it has camera. If you can remove where it says camera, then we can do that. Because if you were to clip it, then there's that camera logo above it, which is like in the middle of my head. That's why I didn't put it, because it says camera on my head, essentially. Nice borders layout on the stream. Glad you like it. This is going to be the new one. Nice and clean, simple, nothing complicated. And yeah, that's what we're going to keep now. Very, very clean. You can see the time frames at the top. It's nicely fits in here. All the time frames are there. Pair is clear. Everything should be clear. So that's the goal of that. If I'm short, where could the pullback happen? It's not a good idea to be short. I'm not too sure why you are short at the moment, or where you're short from, so I can't help you on that. Good morning, bro. Can you keep backtesting session for us live? Yeah, that might be a good idea if you guys would be interested with that. Maybe I host that for the community, so if you guys are in the Discord, I'll maybe do a free backtesting session for all of us where you guys can ask questions and backtest with me. So if you guys would like that, let me know. Let me know if you guys would like that, and maybe I can do it for you as a gift for next month. Bro, I rate how you listen to your viewers' requests. Yeah, no worries. That's the point I do these. Right? That's why I do them a little bit earlier, so I can answer you guys' question. Let's go. Yeah, you're definitely happy about that. So if you enjoyed the analysis, guys, please leave a like to the stream. Only 9 likes on the stream. We can easily get that up to like 20 in 15 seconds. That's easy. Yeah, I'll probably do that. We'll do it on Zoom. We'll do a backtesting session together, all for free. And yeah, this should probably help you guys. Definitely. Where you guys can answer questions and stuff like that. Yeah, I'll set that up. I'll set that up. Morning, morning, morning. Am I going to the track this weekend? What track? Racetrack? No. Need a GT3 for that. Gbpjpy USD, I can look at Gbpjpy USD, brother. Alright, so daily is in this consolidation here. USD pairs are consolidating a bit here. 4 hours quite a mess here, but we're at the top of the range. Maybe if we start breaking below this low, can see further downside. Yeah, I don't really like how GU is looking at the moment to trade. A little bit messy here. I'd probably say if maybe you start breaking below 1.2478, you could see some downside. Just be careful of this support zone in here. But for upside, I don't think it's a good idea to look for continuation buys. It's in a range at the moment. We're going sideways. Resident wants AU done. Where do I have AU? Not GBP AUD USD. I can't find it. Oh, there it is. There it is. All right. Let's have a look at daily. Yeah, so we created support from here yesterday, and the 4 hours now rejected. We never got the continuation above this high. That's a shame. That would have been quite nice, but since we have the close above, don't be too fooled about this, because if this creates support, you can retest this high. So yeah, if this creates support down here, maybe you can try retest this. Maybe it rejects here, but by that time you'll be break even, right? So yeah, wait for maybe this type of change of structure here. When you get a change of structure, you can probably trade towards the upside. Good morning, Harry. Morning, morning, brother. Hope you're well. Hope you're well. Someone texted me on Discord with your name trying to sell crypto thing. Was that you or a scam? That is a scam. Please, I do not message you guys selling you any type of thing. All my official links and everything that I do, I don't have anything to do with crypto. Everything is in my description. My Instagram, my official links. And if you check the announcement channel on Discord, you can find out my exact code, because every single Tradesharpe has a code. I think I'm 14466, something like that. So just double check that and make sure that, first of all, I won't DM you guys randomly. If I have to tell you guys something, I'll tell everyone, not an individual. Right? I'll just add the channel. So please don't be fooled by that, and don't fall for them. There's no way that I can ban them, because what they do is they come in the group, they DM everyone, and then they leave the group before I can block them. So once they DM you, that's between you and them. So I can't block your own DMs. So they make it really tough for me. But all we have to do is just be a bit smart and make sure that, okay, fine, we're not going to fall for their scams, right? Small pullback incoming, yes. Dark side of being famous? I'm not that famous. I won't consider myself famous. I'll consider myself, yeah, not famous, that's for sure. News day. Oof. Don't know what that was. Did you guys hear that? It's like a huge bang. I wonder if you guys could hear that from the mic. It's like a bomb going off, is what it sounded like. Jeff heard it. So loud. Some bloody truck crashed or something. Get a MacBook? No, why should I get a MacBook? Then I have to download Parallels and avoid these problems. There's no problem. I just press remind me tomorrow and then it does it tomorrow. It's not a big deal. And then I can't use my MetaTrader, right? Also, all of these systems like that I use to stream and stuff like that work a lot better on PC. Am I allowed to ask you a question? That is why there's a chat box. If you read the description of this stream, it actually tells you a lot. It tells you to please ask me a question. That's the point. I do this stream to help you guys. So if you're not going to ask a question, then, you know, you have to. Mac is terrible. Oh, that was for the other comment? Oh, okay, sorry. Oh, imagine your Windows starts updating while you're in a trade. Yeah, it wouldn't be ideal, but hopefully it smashes TP, right? Because hopefully most of our trades should smash TP. That's the goal. Hi sir, good morning. Just joined your Telegram group. Welcome. Swiss franc seems to be at all-time high. What's your opinion? Let's see if I have a... Well, not against the dollar. It's not at an all-time high. It's quite weak against the dollar. So where are you talking about it being at an all-time high? That's a disgusting pair. Look at this pair, just goes sideways all the time. Yeah, let me know what you're looking what pair you're looking at exactly compared to the Swiss franc, and I can help you out with that. Potential scalps above this resistance here. Let's have a look at this. 5-minute close in 3 minutes here. What's my stop loss? 17 pips, wow. 17 pips on a 5-minute. Strong against the JPY. I'll have a look at that in a minute. Euro. Let's have a look. USD JPY is... Yeah, we had this news that pushed us out of the range. I expect this buys to continue. We do have... If we hold above this 4-hour resistance, we can probably pop up here to 135.717, but it's kind of like GJ. It's trending now. We need... you're looking to get in with scalps because we're at the top of the range. So... Basically the same as GJ, to be honest. Did I take a trade yesterday? No, I didn't take a trade yesterday, actually. Did not take a trade yesterday. Wants to look at Euro Chep. Okay, we can look at Swiss franc and then we'll look at it against... Scalping is looking to utilize lower time frames to get in a quick position and get out. And yeah, that's the point of scalping. Thanks, Harry. Have a lovely weekend. I'm done for the month. Well done, brother. Well done. So if I analyze this pair quickly for you, created support here at the bottom of the range. We're at this daily resistance. We have to be cautious about. The 4-hour time frame is trending bearish. So if we start breaking these lows, we could see a deeper retracement before continuing up here. If we look at the 1-hour time frame, yeah, it's a bit tough into this support here. Yeah, not the best pair. I'll be careful at this macro support. This is a very tough zone here. Be very careful. If you change structure and close above here, you can look for buys. Gbpjpy, this is your all-time highs. Yeah, it's gonna keep continuing. If we're at all-time highs, we can actually pull out the Fibonacci to find targets, and that's how you analyze price at all-time highs. Is you can use a Fibonacci here to see how your targets are. So we're probably, yeah, we're approaching this target. Next target's gonna be at 155 flat, I'll say, at that key level there. Makes sense at the key level, 155 flat on the daily time frame. If we're looking at a 4-hour time frame, we should be at 4-hour. Yeah, we're approaching 4-hour resistance. Yeah, your first target's around here. I wouldn't be surprised to see this tap here, pull back down, range a little bit before continuing up, something like that. But until we get bearish candle close, it's just going to continue up. I took one, but then BE, that was wrong. BE shouldn't be in BE. Share your trade. Let's have a look at it. Anyone tried Pepperstone with TradingView? I personally not. May I kindly entreat you to provide a comprehensive analysis of AUD? We just looked at AUD. We just looked. You just put that in your AI software. I know what you're like. He put that in AI and then he wrote it here. He's like, please improve my vocabulary on this sentence. We just looked at AU. Hola, amigo. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Tú bien? That's all I know, by the way. So don't reply to me in Spanish. Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to reply anything. Thanks, Harry. Appreciate it. Which country are you from, if I may ask? I'm originally from England, but I'm born and raised and live in Dubai. Oh man, come on, I missed the analysis. Yeah man, you're sleeping. I did analyze it and analyzed it deeply. I said we're at this support. If we stop creating support where we are right now, we can potentially move up, alright? Hope you're listening now. Right, which we failed. So now that we failed the support here, the next target is down here only, but then be careful here because this is a rejection zone. So yeah, maybe this 15-minute close, maybe an option here down to here. Yeah, that could be an option, this 15-minute close. What do I think today of GJ? Today is a news day, so I'm still bullish on GJ. Any pullbacks, I'll be happy to take it towards the upside. Not looking to sell GJ today. And my main priority today is not to take any stupid positions, because I want to protect my month's profits so that we can go into next month and push it hard. Right, that's the goal. Gold to 2005 or dump. It's ranging at the moment, very hard to say. I don't expect, until we get a very strong candle from one of these zones, I don't think we'll be trading towards the upside. We're more likely to trade between 2003 to 1972 until we break the range. If you're enjoying the stream, make sure to leave a like. Definitely does help. Trying to get this stream out to more people, but algorithm's not helping me at the moment. So, not sure why, but what to do. I blame Crest. Before Crest started tampering with my channel, it was great. But then he started and now everything's screwed up. You're correct. There'll be no stream this Monday. It is bank holiday. So take a break this Monday. Do what you want to do. And yes. Luciano is correct. Algo does not work until you pose with fancy cars. Yeah, I can pose with fancy cars, but problem is that's for a normal video. Problem is this is a live stream. Most live streams, I would hope you don't have to pose with fancy cars just for a live stream. Liked your stream. It's great. Thanks again. No worries, man. You seem new. Or have you been watching the stream before? Have to show the green cash. I don't have any cash on me here. It's your thumbnail, man. People are not clicking. You have to change your thumbnail. Put a better thumbnail. Put a better thumbnail. My first time, welcome, welcome. Make sure to leave a subscribe so that you can join the future streams. We do this often. Ask questions. Maybe share your terminal. Yes, that can work as well. That can definitely work, but there's no point of sharing my terminal if I'm not in a trade. Also, I don't keep $500,000 on a trading account. I think anyone who keeps $500,000, even $100,000 on a trading account, it's not a smart idea. You have to realize all of these brokers are offshore. You don't want to keep more than $50,000 on the account because we have leverage. So why not use the leverage? If you're a good trader, you can risk, you know, $5,000 a trade. Yeah, it's risking more than your account. You know, it's risking a high percentage of your account. But at the end of the day, if you're a good trader, you can handle that risk. You know? So you have to understand that these brokers are offshore. At any time, if something happens to them, your money is gone. You can't do anything. You can't sue them. You can't do it. It's outside of your legal legislation. There's nothing you can do. So if that is the case, then it's not a good idea. Change your filter to a female, your stream will grow more. Yeah, that is true. That does sell. I need to go and watch the rest later. Thank you, Harry. Have a good weekend. No worries. No need to watch the rest later if you don't want to. Do you know Donvo, the streamer? Yes, I have him on Instagram. Don't watch his streams though, because I think he streams New York, so yeah. What broker do I use? I personally use IC Markets. Possible short on this? Yeah, but you need this 4-hour candle to close bearish. If this 4-hour candle closes bearish, then maybe you can look for more downside. Otherwise, no. I don't see any option to continue down. Alright, 15's trying to create support here, 5-minute time frame, also trying to create support. Problem, we tapped this resistance already, so we probably want to get above it. Can you explain buying at the low and selling at the high? I think that's a very bad concept. I would never use it. It's a career-ending move to try call bottoms and call tops. Buy to the high and sell to the low. That's the best strategy that people need to understand. And I think people need to remove from their head, sell from the highs, buys from the lows. No, you want to buy to the highs and sell to the lows. Do I buy on support? No, I buy not on a support line, I buy with confirmation. So support can form anywhere on the chart, right? Support today decided to form here. So we have a 5-minute candle forming support. That can allow me to take a buy if I wanted to take a buy. So you don't have to wait for the candle to come all the way to a support. Supports can form anywhere on the charts. Even not on your plotted ones? No, even not on my plotted ones. I need to see support form at that zone. I need the candles to show me it wants to leave it. Just because it hits a support doesn't mean anything. It can break that support. So you need to see if price is going to reject by closing a 15-minute candle bullish, a 30-minute candle bullish, something like that. Yeah, I think if we can get above this line here and break out, I think we can find some buys. By the way, Sunday's video is going to be about risk management, so I hope you guys will enjoy that video. It's going to talk in depth of how to manage risk properly and how to do it the best way, not the way that people teach you and they tell you, oh, only risk 1%. No, I'll teach you how to manage risk the proper way. So I hope you guys will enjoy that video. Let me know now in the chat if you think that will be a good video idea. Yeah, this is a clean zone to trade here. Already watched that video? I don't believe you. Thank you, great idea. Sweet. If you change daily to taking out the equals, I don't look at equal lows and equal highs. It doesn't really matter because I'm focusing on price action. Because I could get a quick move here, make a, money and a move from here to here, and at that point, I'm done. So before anything happens on the daily, then it does not matter, right? We'll watch on Sunday. Great, great. It should be good, hopefully. Four minutes so this candle can close. Let's see if we can get above this zone. Could be quite nice. I have to leave. Family time. Friday is day off here in Middle East. Happy trading day. Thank you, thank you. Enjoy your day off. I think Donald is from Saudi Arabia at that point. Or Oman. Maybe Oman. Kuwait, nice, nice. Do I do live trades? Yes, I do live trades indeed. If we get a trade on stream, I'll be taking it on stream. That's what we're waiting for a trade here. But the idea of these streams is that we keep them short so we're not wasting time. And at the end of the day, I always give you the plan. So even when the stream ends, you should be able to know and understand what is going on the charts. So you will be able to take positions by yourself. And that's key, to have the confidence to take the positions yourself. Because if you can't even take positions, how are you going to even increase risk and become a better trader, right? Most of the Muslim country day off. Yes, I'm in Dubai. Salatul Jummah, Friday's prayer. We're just here to watch the prices knowledge of the stream. Appreciate you guys. But yes, today is Friday prayer in Muslim countries. And yeah, but they changed that now in Dubai. We don't have a Friday off. Used to be Friday off. Now they kept it Sunday, Saturday, Sunday. Why Friday? No, it used to be Friday and Saturday. That was the days off, Friday and Saturday. Now they do it Saturday, Sunday, like the Western world. Hi Harry, how did you get introduced into Forex? Well, I originally started in crypto. I was a crypto investor, I had a crypto channel, did a lot in crypto, and still do. I'm still an investor, but I was never, when I was investing, this was back when crypto just went up. I said, okay, it's great when price goes up, but when price goes down, I actually don't make any money. I lose money because I'm investing, right? So I said, you know, I was following a guy's channel called Crown Crypto, and he was actually a crypto trader who would give analysis on crypto. So I had a lot of interest in analysis, and when I tried to trade crypto, it was okay because price was only going up, so it's pretty hard to lose money. But when it was ranging, I would just find it so boring because it would range for 2-3 days and I couldn't do anything. So then I looked into what else can I trade. Then I saw there was stocks, I saw there was indices, but then I saw Forex was a really big market, and that's how it got my attention. You think AJ has more room to go up? Do I even have AJ on my chart? I don't even have AJ on my chart. What's your take on Bitcoin direction long? Long term, I mean, it will take me a while to give you a full analysis, but essentially, if we break below this support, I think we see a very big retracement. Otherwise, we're gonna range sideways here, kind of like what we did here, until we have a resolution. Yeah, it's at this resistance here. That's the only problem on AJ, is we're at this resistance. 4 hour only has room till 89.414. No worries, you can ask. I'm originally from England, but I live and born in Dubai. How tall am I? I think I'm 5'11". 179, something like that. $180. Not sure. Need to check. Let's have a look at this 5-minute candle here. You look like 6'5". Come on, man. Not 6'5". How tall are you? Do we wait for closure above the range or break of the candle? Definitely will be closure. Closure first before anything. Yeah. Just trying to think, where do I want to put stops? Five, 7. Nice, nice. Been trading Forex for 3 years plus. Need to calculate exactly. Get the feeling you do scalps and not longer term trades? Yes, exactly. Some trades, if the market position is good, I might hold longer term. Pretty big candles, 16 pip candle here. We'll wait for the closure though. Closure is important. Then we shall see. If maybe closure and break of the high, I might it might be an entry here. Just need to see how this closes and how the next candle opens. See, 35 seconds for this candle close. If this closes above and the next one makes a nice bottom wick and breaks the high, I possibly have an entry here and probably will take an entry on that. Depends what you consider large lot size. What do you consider large lot size? I mean, for me, a large lot size is like a 20 to 50 lot is large lot size. I mean, 10 lot is also large. 5 lot is a medium lot size. So yeah, 5-minute close here. I need this to make a bottom wick. If this can make a bottom wick and the next one break the high, I'll look to take an entry. Yeah, this is not making a bottom wick here. I still like the idea of price continuing up here. Yeah, if it re-breaks this high, I'll probably take an entry here as it re-breaks its high. Yeah, 10 lot. Yeah, then you can use 10 lots for sure. End of the month though, probably use a 5, not like a 10. Yeah, we do have LTA. Don't worry about it. Alright, took a position here. As I said, re-break of the high, I'll be in. So I'm in, re-break of the high. Stop loss below the structure here. Target next resistance. Anything closing back in the range, I'll just cut the trade. This is going to be the trade. Got slipped a little bit. A pip. My entry is like basically here. A little bit higher even. Not the best entry, but what to do. Was a breakdown made on US 30? Yes, it was. Real entry is supposed to be something like this. Re-break of the high. But we'll see how it goes. Pair is right here on the screen. See how this goes. Remember guys, end of the month, half risk on this trade. Don't really want to lose too many profits. I'll be very quick to manage this trade if it doesn't go my way. Just looking to get into a quick profitable position here. Use volume to my advantage. Try get in, get out, and be done. Waiting for 15 closure. Yeah, that's probably sensible. 15 closure could be good. Nice push here. Nice, nice, nice. Since our old LTA is quite far away, probably at like 15 pips in profit or something, a little bit in profit, I'll probably go break even. Maybe once we get this 15-minute close, I can go break even or something. Once the 15 closes and the next one makes a bottom wick, I can probably go break even. Yeah, exactly. That's the only thing I have issue about, but it's not a problem, right? Because the 30-minute has one and stuff like that, right? The next close will also be the 30-minute close. Hopefully we can push really fast. And re-break its own high. This is a nice push here. If you guys are not having the best month, you can probably go to break even at this point. Personally, for me, I'm not going to go at break even at this point, but understand that there's no point of losing this trade right now because, yeah, we push nicely in profits. So just do a bit of measuring. This is like 12 pips already. Stop loss can be probably moved up a little bit here, something like this. And yeah, we can hold the trade. Yeah, max TP is all the way up here. That's 35 pips. That's quite a way. If this just gives us a nice little push here, I'll basically be happy with that. I'm pushing about 15 pips in profit at the moment, so it's not too bad. Yeah, 13, 14 pips in profit. Just this 4-hour resistance, we have to make sure we remain above. Anywhere in here, let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, probably break even is gonna be this 1 hour resistance here, and max target is gonna be up here at the daily resistance. But first target's gonna be at 168,677. That's gonna be first target. First target or break even. We'll make a... Yeah, hopefully it does push, because if it doesn't push before the 30-minute, we probably will get a wick to our entry first. So we have to hold that at our entry and make a decision. But yeah, definitely your stops can be a break even if you're not happy to lose. There's no point in losing this trade. I mean, you're up 14 pips. It's enough. I mean, a lot of people would close at 14 pips, but I'm still holding the position. I'm not at break even yet. Reason why I'm not at break even is because I don't mind this going a little bit. I don't mind holding this, you know. Even if there's a little bit of drawdown, I don't mind because I will not be eating into too much of my profits, you know. This is a nice push at the moment. I like this. This is good. This is good. Let's go, GJ. What lot size are you currently using? On this trade, I'm popped a 5. But normally in the month, I'll range between 7 to 10. Depends on how big my stops are. I'll adjust sometimes. My risk, I plan to risk per trade around 1,000. That's my risk per trade. I'm happy to risk 1,000. I don't really want to go above that for now. It's what I'm comfortable and it's just easy for me. You can see I'm in a trade and very stress-free. Chat with you guys, hold the trade, take it without much thought, and it still makes a good income. So I'm happy with that, and if I can make trading as long-term as possible and sustainable, that's key, right? It's key to make trading sustainable. And in order for that to be sustainable, I need to have the most risk-free environment. Alright, 30-minute close and 15-minute close here. Don't worry about this top wick. This is just leaving a top wick. I would like to see it close a little bit stronger than this, because then most likely we're going to come back to our entry at some point here before continuing up, but that's okay. Again, if you don't want to lose this trade, be at break even. I'm going to be very aggressive with my managing the trade. This 5-minute has no bottom wick. I probably will expect the next one to do something like this and then maybe continue. Or it just fails here. Right? I wouldn't be surprised. Here we go. So yeah, this needs to make its bottom wick now, flip and break the high. If not, then this is going to pull back very, very deep. This is nice. We want this. Yeah, good. Now we need it to break the high. Once we break the high, we should be in some action. There we go. Beautiful. That's what we want. That's what we want, GJ. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Pump it. Uh-oh. That's not what we want. Obviously tap some form of resistance. Should have probably secured. Yeah, at this point I'm gonna move stops to break even. There's no point of doing. We broke the high, stops at break even now. You can secure some if you want to, but I'm just gonna hold this. It's okay. Stops for me are gonna be at break even. So gonna move stops now to break even. Stops are at break even now. And I'm probably gonna secure if we have a nice quick push here. I'm probably gonna look to secure it and be done. So hopefully we can get a quick push. Re-break the high, maybe push close to this our first TP, and then I can close it. Oh, nice. That's the one I wanted. This is exactly what I wanted. Let's go. Yep. Lightweight. Come on, GJ. This is lightweight for you. Beautiful. Boom. TP smashed. I'm done. Close the trade. And we continue the trade. Right, we continue the trade. Can we have some W's in the chat, please? Can we have some W's in the chat? Smash TP. Close position, guys. End of the month. Don't be greedy. Close the positions. Don't be greedy. Nice. Yes, sir. Wait. Keep spamming. Just keep spamming chat. Nice win with the boys. W's in the chat. Yes, sir. Let's go. GJ pumping. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, I'm done at that TP. That was my TP hit. We got around 24 pips. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad for the end of the month. 24 pips. If you took that trade and you posted on Instagram, make sure to tag me. MPG, brother, I gave you the signal, man. I gave you the signal. Don't lose those profits today. End the month. You're done. Don't lose profits. Alright, so now we have some questions I need to answer, but before I answer those questions, let me just show you this. So that we know that Harry is not lying here, because we need to show that I am not lying about my positions, which is very, very important here. Oh wow, that's a big screen, but you can see here on my broker, that was the position taken and closed, and we're still pumping. But I'm not being greedy. Look at how much I got slipped, right? I took an entry at the break of the high, but got slipped 3-4 pips. But otherwise, a pretty clean trade, pretty easy. And yeah, that was my trade, right? So leave a like on the stream for that. Wasn't your plan to enter the fire? Appreciate you for following your plan. Alright, so the trade idea today was pretty simple. We had a 1 hour candle closing very strong bullish here. Previous one we had news. The next one, if I could enter at the break of the high, that will give me an opportunity. So that's where the main idea. Look, we're gonna smash full TP here. Man, maybe should have held. Left small runner. Well, yeah, it looks like your runner is gonna hit TP. If it doesn't reject this TP, leave it running, man. Leave it running to 169, man. Next idea was this 30-minute created this bearish with the candle like this, rejecting the zone, but we respected the lows. When the 15-minute does something like this, right? When we come down, create a support, and then we break the high, we break this high, and we break the 1 hour high, that gives me the confidence to continue bullish. And then the confirmation for me just to get a better entry was a 5-minute close above the range, because once we have a close, we have the 1 hour breaking the high, we have the 15-minute breaking the bearish candle high, and with the support, our stop loss was below the support, and we also have the 30-minute breaking the high. It's very high probability to continue up here, right? The next question is, can you tell me a little bit, how did you know that candle would pull back a lot if it didn't flip and make a top wick first? Which one are you talking about, Crest? Which candle? Yeah, profit is profit. Make sure to share this stream with friends. I mean, it's really tough to grow this stream at the moment, but there's a lot of value in here and a lot of trades that we've taken on stream here. You just simply can't you can't fake that, you know. So I really appreciate your help. So you're asking me the 5-minute candle close after the 30-minute. What about it? What about it? Let me know what you mean about it. No, I said it would pull back a lot if we didn't flip and break the high, right? Because that's continuation. Imagine this, right? This is a low, this is a high, this is a higher low, this is a higher high. So if you imagine on very, very low time frame, right, if you imagine on lower time frames, what ends up happening is we have a high and a low, and then what we make here is this is the high, and then this was the low, and then we make a higher high, right? So we need to break that. If we fail and break the low, we're gonna have a deeper pullback before continuing up. That's just like a way that you understand, right? Because look at all of our entries are break of highs. So if we're entering at the break of the high, imagine you were entering at the market right here, right? So you would wait for it to break the high. So we don't care how deep the bottom wick, but we're already inside of a trade, so we don't want it a deep bottom wick because it will put us in drawdown. So what will happen is that what we want is the price to make a small bottom wick but break the high, because once it breaks the high, there's a high probability that it's going to continue bullish. Make sense? Alright guys, I'm going to wrap up the stream here. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Make sure I appreciate subscribing with 3 emails. Yeah, you don't need to do that. I think that doesn't help because it doesn't get 3 viewers. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Thank you all for showing up. As always, I appreciate you guys. Very grateful that we managed to have a very good win rate on stream. 100% win rate on stream for this month. So I'm very grateful and happy for that. And yeah, so continue with the momentum, and hopefully we're gonna have 100 viewers next month. That is the goal on the stream. We're gonna make it happen. We need to find a way and figure out what's going on and why the stream is not getting out to more people. And yeah, with that being said guys, take care, trade sharp, and until next time, peace.